Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Let's begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental rectangular body, focusing on its broad, muscular stance. Next, establish the main proportions for the cabin and the four-wheel wells. Remember to draw a light central line down the middle to help ensure your drawing remains symmetrical throughout the process. This initial framework is crucial for a well-proportioned final drawing. Now, let's focus on the Hellcat's aggressive front end. Carefully outline the iconic rectangular grille and the two circular headlights on either side. Don't forget to include the prominent hood scoop and the two air intakes, which are key features. Define the strong, angular lines of the front bumper, giving the car its powerful, ready-to-pounce appearance. Moving to the side profile, sketch the distinct shape of the side windows and the car's slightly sloped roofline. Next, draw the large, five-spoke wheels, paying attention to their robust design, and hint at the powerful brake calipers behind them. Add the subtle side skirts and the clean door lines to give your Hellcat more definition and a sense of movement. For our final slide, it's time to refine your drawing. Go over all your lines, making them darker and more confident. Add those crucial small details, such as the distinctive Hellcat emblem on the fender and the dual exhaust tips at the rear. Finally, apply shading to create depth and a three-dimensional look, bringing your powerful Dodge Challenger Hellcat to life on paper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.